Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to talk about some numerical, how to solve numerical by using Laplace transform technique. These are the miscellaneous problems I am going to talk. So here, this is the first problem I am going to talk. This switch is closed at t equal to 0. Find the Laplace current. Find the current by using Laplace transform. So before t equal to 0, switch was open. Okay, so you can say IL0 minus just before what was the current through the inductor, and just after current stored by inductor would be same, that is equal to 0. Just before and just after, what is the current just before switch was open, so current was 0. Okay, similarly अगर current 0 है, so current voltage stored by capacitor क्या होगा, VC0 minus equal to VC0 plus equal to what, again 0. So these are the two initial conditions, or we have discussed in the last presentation. अगर initial condition 0 है, so you can represents you can represent the resistance R by R, 18 ohm by 18 ohm. L will be represented by LS. L कितना 3, so 3S. और C will be represented by 1 upon CS. So 1 upon C मतलब कितना आएगा, S 1 upon CS. 1 upon CS कितना है, 1 upon 1 by 27S. So it will be 27 by S, right? So it is like that, and voltage V will be represented by V by S. Okay, you can write the KVL I of S. So KVL क्या आएगा, 3S. If you write the KVL, 3S plus 18 plus 27 by S into I of S equal to 20 by S. That is the impedance it is showing. This plus this plus this into I of S equal to voltage. So LCM लेंगे तो क्या आएगा, 3S square plus 18S plus 27 upon S I of S equal to 20 by S. So S will be cancelled. So you will get I of S equal to what, 3 कॉमन लेते हैं तो 20 by 3, 3 कॉमन लेंगे तो ये 3 नीचे आएगा. ओके, सो 20 by 3 हो जाएगा. यहाँ आएगा S स्क्वायर प्लस 6S प्लस 9 equal to, so I got it. This 20 by 3 means 6.66. You can say it is a S square, मतलब 2 roots are there. दोनों का सम कितना है 6 और दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कितना है 9. We have 2 roots, सम 6 चाहिए और मल्टीप्लिकेशन 9. Yes, 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 6, 3 into 3 9, right? So this is S plus 3 square is there. इसका मतलब है repeated roots are there. Okay, so if you take the Laplace inverse, you will get I of t equal to what, 6.66. it is S plus 3, so it is e raised to minus 3t. और s square है तो क्या आएगा, t का लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म होता है 1 by s square. So that is the answer I am getting. You will observe this technique is very simple. Okay, so that is the answer I am getting. Okay, next problem I am going to solve. Okay, so I am rubbing it. Question number 2, waveform. So How to do it? Just find the Laplace transform of the wave. So just okay. I am taking t here. You can say this is the step function. Step function. So magnitude is 2. This is the step function I am applying here. Okay. I am applying step function of magnitude is 2. So this is what f of t equal to what? You can say u 2 u of t. Okay. So it will go up to 4. Up to 4. Then from 4 to 6 what is there? 4 to 6 क्या है? It is a ramp function. What is the height of ramp? 4. 6 minus 2 4. And कितना है? 4 6 minus 4 2. Okay. So I am applying the ramp function at 4 here. Okay. This is the ramp function. So ramp is okay up to here. But what about here? I don't want this. I don't want this. So क्या करेंगे? I will add one more ramp here in the other direction. So this will cancel this. This will cancel this, right? So another ramp function we have. Now at 6, what you can see, ये वेव आपकी यहाँ से यहाँ आ रही है, कितनी आ रही है? It is not given. Let us say 2 minus 2. So कितनी आ रही है? 6 to 0 and 2 8. So यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक कितना है? Plus 6 and minus 2, so 8. So I am going to add one ramp here. It's not ramp, step function of magnitude 8 in other direction here. Clear? So this is the step function is there, but delayed step function is there. And at 10, you can say ये कितना हो गया? ये कितना हो गया? 6 plus 2 8. और हमको वापस जाना है, तो कितना है ये? रिजल्टेंट क्या आ गया आपका? -2 है ना इधर. तो अभी स्टेप फंक्शन वी हैव टू ऐड वन मोर स्टेप फंक्शन हियर. कितना मैग्नीट्यूड का? 2 का. 2. क्लियर ना? सो 2 ऐड करेंगे तो यू विल गेट इट, बिकॉज दिस इज स्टेप फंक्शन +2. देन रैम्प 6 के आ गया. देन 8 का ऐड करेंगे तो -2 आ जाएगा. एंड +2 का ऐड करेंगे तो ओके. सो व्हाट इज दिस इज द कंप्लीट waveform it is showing. So it is 2 u of t plus ramp function we have delayed by 4. So rt minus 4. Again one more ramp here, minus rt minus 6. Clear? Then again step function minus kitna? Minus 8. Minus 8 u of t minus ramp delayed by 6 plus step function of 2 u of t minus 10 delayed by 10. Okay, that is the waveform I am getting. 2 u of t plus r t minus 4 minus r t minus 6 minus 8 u of t minus 6 plus 2 u of t minus 10. Right? Since equation of straight line, because ramp function का magnitude क्या है? Okay, so this is straight line. So y equal to mx plus c. What is m? Slope. कितना slope? Height कितनी है? 6 minus 2 4. और ये width कितनी है? 6 minus 4. ये 6 और ये 4. 6 minus 4 2. तो height 4 है upon 2 और x means t. So this 2t. So f of t equal to, you can say f of t equal to 2 u of t plus 2t minus 4 divided by 4 minus 2t divided by 6 minus 8 u of t minus 6 plus 2 u of t minus 10. So f of s, Laplace transform of this equal to 2 upon s plus, this is ramp function, so 2 upon s square e raised to minus 4s, because it is divided by 4, minus 2 upon s square, it is ramp function, divided by 6, minus 8 upon s, it is step function, divided by 6, plus 2 upon step function e raised to minus 10s. Okay, so this is the value I am getting, 2 by s plus 2 by s square e raised to minus 4s, minus 2 upon s square e raised to minus 6s, minus 8 upon s e raised to minus 6s, plus 2 upon s e raised to minus 10s. That is the answer I am getting. So already we have solved 5 numericals based on the waveform. This is one more I had taken only for practice. Okay. The next problem I am going to solve, I am rubbing it first. Okay, question number 3. This is the problem I have. Step current of 5 ampere is applied at t equal to 0. Okay. इसका मतलब है this applied at t equal 0 to a, you can see here the switch we are going to open. इसका मतलब earlier it was closed. Earlier it was closed and you are going to open it. अगर ये क्लोज है तो पूरा का पूरा करंट यहीं से फ्लो हो रहा है. भाई ये क्लोज अगर है तो पूरा का पूरा करंट यहीं से फ्लो होगा ना. यहाँ से करंट यहाँ से जीरो जाएगा. अगर करंट थ्रू इंडक्टर जीरो है so you can say IL0 minus equal to IL0 plus equal to what? 0. क्लियर ना. एंड सिमिलरली अगर यहाँ से करंट फ्लो ही नहीं हो रहा तो VC कैपेसिटर चार्ज नहीं होगा. VC0 माइनस इक्वल टू VC0 प्लस इक्वल टू अगेन 0. So these are the two initial conditions we got it. Okay. Then अगर इनिशियल कंडीशन 0 तो यू कैन ड्रा द ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड डायग्राम, राइट. ट्रांसफॉर्म डायग्राम कैन वी राइट. Okay, so I'm going to draw the transform diagram. Just wait. Okay, so एक काम करता हूँ, मैं इसको ट्रांसफॉर्म डायग्राम को ड्रा करता हूँ. ओपन आफ्टर t at t equal to 0, open the switch. अगर आप ओपन कर देते हैं तो दिस विल बी 5 एम्पियर, 5 by s हो जाएगा. ये C will be 1 by CS, 1 by CS. Okay, 1 by CS. C कितना 1. S will be L will be LS 0.1 S और R will be RS. R will be R 1 by 7. Clear? So transform diagram I am going to draw because initial conditions are 0. Then you can draw the transform diagram, right? So you can assign the voltage V here. How many nodes are there? Only one node and this is connected to ground. You can apply the KCL. Apply the KCL. So just wait, I am applying the KCL. Okay, and like this. Okay, this current I1, this current I2, this current I3 I am going to take. So I can say I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 equal to what? I incoming. This is incoming, this is outgoing. So what is I1? I1 equal to what? V by R. V by R. V by V कितना है? V means V. यहाँ अप्लाई करना था I1, I2, I3 equal to I. So V by R. So V by 1 by 7 plus I2 equal to what? I equal to क्या होता है in case of pure capacitance? L will be Ls. So V by Ls. V by Ls कितना है? L कितना है? 0.1 S plus in case of capacitance. In case of capacitance कितना है capacitance? 1 farad. So I equal to क्या होता है? V by 1. V by 1 S. 1 by S, sorry. 1 by S equal to 5 by S current. So you will get 7V. Yeah, I'm rubbing it. I'm taking V common. So you will get S. Sorry. Okay. 7 I'm taking plus 1 upon 0.1 is 10 by S plus ये S आ जाएगा और I'm taking V common, V of S common equal to 5 by S. Okay, so this will be S square, this S into S square plus 7S plus 10 V of S equal to 5 by S. यहाँ पर भी S है, sorry. This S will be cancelled. So V of S equal to what? V of S equal to 5 upon S square plus 7S plus 10. So you will get two roots, 5 upon S plus 5, S plus 2. We know two roots are there. Multiplication दोनों का 10 है, 5 into 2 10 और दोनों का sum 5 plus 2 7 है. Okay, so I am getting this, and in place of that I can write A upon S plus 5 plus B upon S plus 2. Because two roots are there, so you can write both roots are different. So by using partial fraction method, you can write A upon this plus B upon S plus 2. So what is the value of A? How to find A? Denominator of A क्या है? 5 S plus 5, multiply both sides and put S equal to minus 5. Multiply both sides by S plus 5, S plus 5 cancel हो जाएंगे और put S equal to minus 5. A equal to क्या आएगा? 5 upon S plus 2, put S equal to minus 5. So I am getting equal to 5 by minus 3. Minus 5 by 3. Right? How to find B? B कैसे निकालेंगे? This multiply both sides by S plus 2. So क्या आएगा? 5 upon S plus 5. S plus 2, S plus 2 cancel. Put S equal to minus 2. So you will get 5 by 3. B equal to 5 by 3. So V of S I got it. So okay, V of S कितना है? Minus 5 by 3 into 1 upon S plus 5 plus 5 by 3 upon S plus 2. If you take Laplace inverse, you will get V of t. What is V of t? Minus 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 e raised to minus 5t plus 5 by 3 e raised to minus 2t. So this is the way of getting the result. Already this problem we have solved by classical technique also. And you will observe by in place of classical technique, this technique is very simple. Okay. So I am rubbing it and I will solve one more problem. Okay. So last problem I am going to solve. Okay, question number 4. Okay, question number 4. After being on position 1 for a long time, the switch is thrown to position 2 at time t equal to 0. Find IL by using Laplace transform technique. Okay, so earlier switch was in position 1. For a long time. Switch was in position 1 for a long time. So current flowing through the inductor equal to what? IL0 minus equal to IL0 plus, just before and just after current would be same. कितना आएगा? V by R. V by R मतलब 10 by R कितना है? 2. Okay, so it is 5 ampere. I got it. Now at t equal to 0, t equal to 0, move the switch to 2. As you move the switch to position number 2, this will be the circuit. LC circuit हो जाएगा. So we can write the KVL. If you write the KVL, क्या आएगा? L means the 0.1 L di by dt. L di by dt plus 1 by C. 1 by C कितना है? 1 upon C 0.1 into 10 raised to power minus 6 integration of I dt equal to 0. No source is there in this loop. When you come in the position number 2, no source is there, right? So take the Laplace transform. If you take the Laplace transform, क्या आएगा? 0.1. Laplace transform of derivative क्या होता है? S I of S minus I of 0. S I of S minus I of 0 plus 10 raised to power minus 6 ऊपर जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा और 1 upon 0.1 10. So it is, I am getting 10 raised to power plus 7. Okay, and Laplace transform of this is what? Laplace transform of the integrator is I of S upon S plus integration of I of 0 upon S equal to no source equal to 0. Put the initial condition here is what? 0. Or what is the initial condition here is? It is what? 5 ampere. So you will get 0.1 S I of S माइनस ये कितना है? 5 और 0.1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 0.5, राइट ना? 5 into 0.1 0.5 plus or 7 upon S I of S and plus this is 0. Already this is 0 equal to 0. So I am getting I of S. If you take common I of S, if you take common, and so you will get, and you are, let us divide by whole equation by 0.1. Divide by 0.1. So क्या आएगा ये? I of S and divide by 0.1. So क्या आएगा इधर? S. If you divide by 0.1 तो यहाँ क्या आएगा? 10 raised to power plus 8 हो जाएगा. ये माइनस प्लस 7 था और डिवाइड बाई 0.1 करोगे मतलब, so it is 10 raised to 8. I of S कॉमन इक्वल टू ये 0.1 into 0.5 से डिवाइड करोगे तो क्या आएगा? ये 5 हो जाएगा. ये माइनस से इधर जाएगा 5 plus 5. Okay, so you will get, right ना? सॉरी, यहाँ पर क्या है? S है और यहाँ ओके, यहाँ S है. ओके, सॉरी, it is 8.1. okay, so you will get इक्वल टू क्या आएगा? ये इक्वल टू it is I of s bracket में s square plus 10 raised to 8 upon s equal to 5. So 5 into s हो जाएगा ये s. ओके यहाँ रखता हूँ. So I of s equal to what? 5 into s upon s square plus 10 raised to power 8. I'm getting it. Okay, so I'm getting this equal to, you can say 5s upon s square plus 10 raised to power 4 square. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. And if you take the Laplace inverse, ये किसका है? s upon s square plus omega square किसका होता है? cos of omega t का. So ये 5 constant है. So I of t equal to this 5 is a constant. ये है cos of omega t. cos of omega कितना है? 10 raised to power 4. Okay, so I am getting equal to 5 cos of omega कितना है? 1 2 3 4 t. So this is the answer I am getting. Okay, so it is simple problem we have. Okay, just you have to put the conditions, initial conditions, and you will get the answer. Okay, so I am stopping here only. We have solved so many problems, miscellaneous problems I had taken, and earlier I had taken the problems separately. I had taken problems with the waveform, with initial and final condition separately, and these are the miscellaneous problem I had taken. Okay, so I'm stopping here. Nowwards, I am going to talk about the MCQ questions on the Laplace transform, and this unit will be over. Okay, thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.